Hi, my name is Michael Cooper. I work at Pipe Wrench Plumbing. I'm here today to check out a gas water heater that's giving the customer some troubles, and hopefully we can remedy it and make him happy. Well, my family lived in Florida. I lived there for 30 years, and we would vacation up this way once or twice a year. And one day my wife just said, well, why don't we just move up there? So we came up, looked at houses, landed this job online, and been here ever since. I've been here for 13 years now, and I've been very happy. They treat me well. I just got a birthday text from the owner, Tom Cambron. We went out shooting, might have been 10 years ago now, over by his house in Oak Ridge. Actually, Oliver Springs now I think about it. But we had a good old time. He's a terrific person, and he really cares about us. Place called Pat the Plumber in Florida. I had originally was working for a water treatment company, installing water softeners and such, and water can be kind of bad down there, well water and whatnot. And so when we decided to move here, I figured I need to get back into plumbing because the water is a lot better here, not a whole lot of need for treatment. So I went to work for Pat the Plumber, polished up some skills, got this job online, and met with the owners, and it was a good thing. So we sold the house in Florida, moved up here 2 weeks later, and been here ever since. It was a little rough. I think 2009 there was a real problem with the economy, and it was tough. There weren't all that many jobs, but I stuck it out, and now we got 35 trucks. It was down to 3 before then, 14 when I started and 3 in 2009, and now up to 35. I kind of got into sales in a weird way. I have bad knees, and I can't be picking up water heaters and carrying heavy stuff up and downstairs. And the company proposed this to me, and I was reluctant at first because I didn't like salesmen. But here I'm doing it. I'm happy. It's working for me. It's just fun getting out, being around town, seeing the sights. You know, we moved here because of the mountains, the trees, and it's a interesting and cool place to live. The people have been friendly. They'll wave at you. In Florida, people aren't so friendly, but and it's also kind of hot, a lot of bugs, ants, and but I'm happy to be here. The company treats me well, and it's just been a terrific experience for me. Well, when we moved here from Florida, I was big into hiking, backpacking, camping, and I live 20 miles from the gate of the Smoky Mountains National Park, which is the best park this side of the country. But as I'm getting older, my knees aren't so good, so I can't be carrying a 50-pound backpack anymore. Currently with this COVID stuff, I get out and about, meet people, which is exciting. But my wife kind of hangs out in the house, and she's a little concerned about the COVID. So currently, she's living upstairs, and I'm living in the man cave. And she'll bring me meals once in a while till this whole thing kind of blows over. We get vaccinations or some order not to have to wear masks anymore, but things will improve. They always do. So just kind of biding my time for now. I'm kind of at ease. I'm doing what I know how to do, best how to do, and I never get any grief about anything. I know what I need to do to perform my job, and I do that, and I'm fine. I'm assured that I'm going to be taken care of. People are going to be happy with what I do, and it's just kind of a comforting kind of a feeling.